Welcome to our introduction to JavaScript. In the next set of lessons, I'm going to be showing you how to use JavaScript, how to add it to your web page, and also how to do some really nice and cool things, nice cool effects on your web pages just by adding in some really simple JavaScript. We're also going to be covering off how JavaScript interacts with your web elements, and this is where we're going to bring in the DOM, and we're going to talk quite a bit about the DOM. So that's a document object model, and this is how we can relate our JavaScript and create interactive elements using JavaScript, combining it with our HTML pages. Some of the resources that we're going to be using within this course, so we're going to be using our editor, which is a brackets editor. And we're also going to be using CodePen. So we see that CodePen has HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So these are the three foundations for web development, for front-end web development. And the good thing about CodePen is whenever you type in anything here, it automatically runs it and it renders it out on the right-hand side. So this is the same thing for CSS and the same thing for JavaScript. And I'm going to be showing you how this JavaScript works in real time. As we type in JavaScript, we're going to see that it's got the different effects and how it renders out. We're also going to be using Mozilla.org, so this is a really good resource for JavaScript because there's quite a lot you can do with JavaScript. There's a lot of different syntax that you can add in and just a whole lot you can do with JavaScript. So there's a really good resource over here to find out more about JavaScript, because this course going to be more focused on JavaScript and web pages. So just keeping in mind that JavaScript, there's a lot to JavaScript. So to get comfortable with adding it into your web pages, you can take it a whole lot further. And we're going to be representing the JavaScript syntax that's most commonly used to develop websites, and again to create some really cool dynamic effects and interaction for your web users. So in the next lesson, let's begin writing some JavaScript.